and the Swiss is at all-time high. The Swiss is the strongest, so there definitely has to be some sort of a trade in the pound Swiss. In one way or the other, there has to be a trade. Now it seems that all this capitulation that we had on Friday is kind of snapping back. Again, the pound Swiss is at all-time low. It's pretty much the same as the dollar, if you will. So you can see that the dollar and the pound are, you know, all-time low versus the Swiss franc. So if by any chance we get some short covering, then this is what we're looking for, is a short covering rally. And they're all weak signals. I mean, there is nothing that is standing out. That's probably the closest that we can get to a buy signal, and that is our sell signal right there. That's a no-brainer sell signal. That's a no-brainer sell, and it is also my structure because it's the all-time low, and this is the buy, and we're going to put our stop. It's going to be a big stop below the market size. So as I said, this is a no-brainer trade, so on either side we're going to take it. So I'm going to buy it above 140.78, and if I do buy it over here, my stop is going to be the market side, which is going to be the 140.15, and it is also going to be the stop for the short side, and I'm going to go short below 139.28. And that, again, this is the all-time low, so it is going to be my all-time structure too. And my structure to the upside is the 143. I'm picking it from here, 143.97. So it's an easy trade, if you will. It's going to be very far before we start taking the trades in, but this is what we're doing. The all-time low is my new structure point because nothing underneath it except air. So we are going to be buying it above 140.78, and if we do, my structure long is 140.97. So that's a good move. You have about 300 pips above that structure between the long point and the structure point, so that's good if you're going to get a short covering rally in the Swiss. And the short side, we're going to go short below the 139.28, which is our structure, and it should be also our stop, because if the long point and if the short entry and the structure are one and the same, they have to be our stop. We're not going to give it too much room above that. And oops. Okay, and my long structure point is the 143.97, and my stop on the long side is 140.15, and my stop on the short side is the same as my entry, is the same as my structural point. Okay, that is the pound Swiss.